Tired of missing winning trades while you're away from the charts? In 2025, automation isn't just a luxury, it's the new standard for traders who want to stay ahead. But with so many algo platforms in India, how do you know which one truly delivers? In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 algorithmic trading software, Streak by Zerodha, Tradetron, and AlgoBulls. We'll dive into their features, pricing plans, and ideal user profiles. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this comparison will help you automate smarter. Let's find the platform that fits you best. First up is Streak by Zerodha, a favorite for traders who want to ease into algo trading without touching a single line of code. The interface is super user-friendly. Just type conditions like buy when RSI crosses 30, and the system turns that into an executable strategy. It allows you to backtest, paper trade, and deploy live strategies. Plus, it syncs beautifully with Zerodha's Kite platform for seamless execution. There's a free plan with basic limits, while premium plans start at just 500 rupees per month. For beginners and semi-active traders, this is one of the easiest ways to start. Next up is Tradetron, arguably the most versatile algo trading platform available in India today. Whether you're a complete beginner or a full-time quant, Tradetron gives you the power to build, deploy, and even sell your own trading strategies, all without writing a single line of code. It supports complex, multi-leg, multi-asset strategies, complete with if-then-else logic, allowing detailed customization based on real-time market conditions. You also get access to a built-in marketplace, where you can subscribe to pre-built strategies from top traders or monetize your own by offering them to others. Tradetron integrates with over 25 brokers, giving users incredible flexibility and freedom. Pricing starts with a free plan offering limited features, and premium plans go from 300 to 15,000 rupees per month, depending on your needs. Last but not least, we have AlgoBulls, a smart algo trading platform built for those who want automation with a professional edge. AlgoBulls focuses on ready-to-use, expert-curated strategies, including intraday, positional, and options-based models. The standout feature? Strategy Engine is research-backed, giving traders access to institutional-grade logic without having to design anything themselves. You also get real-time backtesting, paper trading, and automated execution. AlgoBulls integrates with top brokers like Zerodha, Upstocks, and Angel One. Pricing begins around 500 rupees per month, with higher plans unlocking more features and advanced strategies. So which platform should you go for? Choose Streak if you're new and want simplicity with seamless Zerodha integration. Pick Tradetron if you want marketplace access, logic-driven flexibility, and multi-broker support. Go for AlgoBulls if you're after expert-curated strategies that just work out of the box. All 3 are solid. It really depends on your style and how hands-on you want to be. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tech insights, and comment below. Which platform are you using or planning to try?